Hello, my friends. Today's recipe is delicious and very tasty. A type of delicious and tasty German bread pies. Thank you for your interaction in the previous videos and sharing them with friends. We need 150 milliliters of warm milk and 6 grams of yeast. Then we mix the yeast with the milk and add 1 egg and 35 grams of sugar. Then we go back to mixing again. Then we add 350 grams of flour and 3 grams of salt, and we start kneading until the dough becomes cohesive. Then we add 35 grams of butter. Then we continue kneading for 10 minutes until the dough becomes smooth and pliable. My friends, when the dough is soft and pliable, the final result will be wonderful bread, my friends. I will be happy if you write to me in the comments from which country you are watching me. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video with friends. This helps me in growing the channel. After we finish kneading, we cover the dough for 55 minutes until it doubles in size. Now, my friends, after the dough has fermented, we cut it into 18 pieces. Cut it as you saw, and we start shaping it into small balls and then into this shape that you see. Have you seen? My friends, how fun and easy it is to form pies, and it does not require time. You will be amazed at the delicious taste of this pie. I was very happy when I read your wonderful comments. Write to me in the comments if you want, if I share any recipe with you. This makes me happy. Today I went to the supermarket with my little child. He was very happy and wanted to go shopping himself, so I allowed him. Children are innocent and love to do as adults do and imitate their movements. When we went, it was snowing heavily and the weather was very cold, and my child wanted to do it. Oh, I wanted to play with him in the snow, so I did that. This thing made him fly with joy and happiness. After finishing shaping the pies in this beautiful shape, we put them in the oven pan, then we cover them and wait 40 minutes until they double in size. At this time, we can take a cup of hot coffee or anything hot in the oven. In this cold weather, we bring 1 egg and a spoon of milk and mix them well. After the pies have doubled in size and become in the shape you saw, we grease the pies with eggs and put small pieces of mortadella on top of them. You can add anything you want, such as luncheon meat or sausage, or as desired. We add olives, paprika, and a little mozzarella cheese. In the baking stage, we need a temperature of 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes after finishing baking. My friends, the smell is delicious, the taste is also delicious, and the view is very exciting. My friends, you can eat the pies hot with a cup of hot tea as well. And you can serve them at parties and birthdays, and the children can take the pie as a meal to school. Did you notice, my friends, how much the size of the pies doubled after baking? This is because the dough had been kneaded well. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you make it in your homes. Share your opinion with me in the comments, whether positive or negative. This is something that interests me. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel. My friends, and share the video with friends and press the bell button in order to receive all new updates. I hope you stay in good health, and I wish you a happy day. Thank you for following. See you in a new recipe and a new video. Bye.